Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about SM Weekly Renewal Audition in SM Entertainment Company. Why its name is Renewal Audition? It's because SM started this weekly audition in 2021, but this year in 2022, SM changed little bit application process of this audition. So let's see what's new in this audition. In this video, I'll tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Note: there are two more always open auditions in SM Entertainment Company in which you can apply anytime in any month or year. For more details, please watch these two videos. Videos links are in description box. Audition process. Before telling other details, first I will tell you about audition process. First step in this SM Weekly Renewal Audition, first you need to send a Google application form to SM Entertainment Company. This application process will open from every Wednesday till Thursday. Company will upload Google application form link in Instagram story on @SM Audition-official Instagram account, or you can also find form link in a pop-up window on SM Entertainment's audition website. I will show you how you can find this link from their Instagram story and from their website. Second step. After submitting your Google form, you need to wait till Friday. If you will be selected in top 200 applicants, then by email you will get a Zoom meeting room link, date and time, and other details for the audition. Third step. You will need to enter in the Zoom meeting room link on Saturday, and then in Zoom chat window you will need to write your name, date of birth, contact number with country code, and then your audition will start after waiting for a while. But suppose this week if you want to get select in top 200 applicants, then you can apply next week and you can apply again and again until you get in. I have said these things in words, but in this one video I have explained everything with some screenshots. With screenshots you will understand this process more clearly. So please watch this one full video to understand the audition process of this weekly renewal audition. Its link is in description box. Now let's move to our next point. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl of any age and from any country can apply in this audition. Audition category. You can apply for dance, vocal, acting or modeling. Last time they did not add rap category, but maybe this time you can apply for rap, and if there is no rap category, then still you can ask them to show your rapping skills in front of judges. They won't deny. Audition period. The application process will open every week from every Wednesday 12 pm KST till Thursday 12 pm KST. But please don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, for Indians this audition will be opened from Wednesday 8:29 am IST till Thursday 8:29 am IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. While filling your application form, you don't need to attach any photo or video. Just some of your basic information will be enough. If you will be in top 200 applicants, then you will get an email from the company and all details for the audition will be written on it. Please note that you won't need to set any music system to play music, because for vocal or rap you can't play background music, and for dancing the judges will play any random song and you will need to perform on it. Also note that after entering once in the Zoom meeting room you can't come out and go back again. It means re-entry is not allowed. Awards and benefits. Zoom meeting audition winner will need to appear in face-to-face audition in Korea, and then final round winner will get chance to be a trainee in SM Entertainment Company. SM Entertainment can pay for your flight tickets or not. It all depends on how much interested they are in you. Once they have selected an Indian boy but they were not paying for the flight tickets, so he denied to attend face-to-face audition in Korea. How to apply? Open the Google application form link from @smaudition-official Instagram account story or open link from the pop-up window appearing on SM Audition website. Fill out that application form and submit. That's it. I will attach their Instagram ID link and website link in description box. Now let's see how to find Google application form link from website or from Instagram story and how to submit the form. First, I will show how to find application form link from website. Open your any browser app, search SM Audition. I have also provided their website link in description box. Open this page and you will see this pop-up window. Tap on this link. Choose your browser and now you can fill out this form. Now let's see how to find form link from Instagram. Open your Instagram account, search SM Audition, tap on this account, open their story, tap on this link, tap here, choose your browser and now let's fill out this form. This form is in Korean and you can't directly translate it. I am telling you what you need to write or choose in every column, so please listen my words carefully and don't skip any part. Here write your full name, here choose your nationality. There are only Korea, China, Japan, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia and etc option. India is not in the list, so I will choose etc option. Here write your contact number with country code. Here write your email address. Here it is written, an invitation link to the Saturday public audition will be sent to your email address. So please write accurately. These are some terms and conditions. Tap here to agree and submit this form. Yes, you have successfully submitted this form. All the best. Please remember that after submitting this form, you will not get any confirmation email like you have successfully submitted your form and all. So please don't hope for that type of email. You will only get an email saying that you have been passed in first round and your Zoom meeting audition is on this date and time, etc. Results announcement. Only past candidates will be contacted individually via email until Friday night. Today's comment winner is Diksha Bagri. Thank you so much Diksha for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care. Love yourself and be happy.